If you're married to or living with a Canadian citizen or permanent resident, then spousal sponsorship might be your path to permanent residence. There are two classes of spousal sponsorship. The first is the spouse and common law partner class. It's also referred to as inland or inside Canada spousal sponsorship. And the second is family class, which is also referred to as out of Canada or outland spousal sponsorship. Both you, the principal applicant, and your spouse or partner, the sponsor, have to meet certain eligibility criteria. Your sponsor has to be a Canadian citizen, a permanent resident, or an Indigenous person registered under the Indian Act. They must be at least 18 years old and make a commitment to provide for your basic needs. Typically, there's not a minimum income requirement. However, your sponsor will need to provide their income documents, and they must be living in Canada or Canadian citizen living outside Canada with a demonstrated intent to return to Canada to establish their permanent residence once you gain status. Permanent residents who are residing outside Canada are not eligible to sponsor their spouse or partner. As an applicant, you have to be a married spouse, and your marriage must be legally recognized in Canada. Examples of marriages that are not recognized in Canada are proxy marriages, marriages where both parties were not physically present, or multiple marriages. Common law partners in the Canadian immigration context are couples who have resided together for 12 consecutive months or longer in a marriage-like relationship. If there were periods where you were not living together, they must have been short and temporary. If you have established a period of 12 consecutive months cohabitation but are not residing together at the moment, you may still be eligible to apply if you can demonstrate that your relationship is genuine and ongoing and that you maintain contact and provide an explanation of how you intend to be reunited. In certain unique circumstances, couples who have been in a relationship for at least a year but have been unable to be married or cohabitate for at least 12 consecutive months, usually due to significant legal or immigration barriers, may still apply under the family class. Now, take a moment to start thinking about the ways that you can prove your genuine relationship. This is required even for married spouses. Start gathering documents like joint bank statements, bills, photos, travel history, and itineraries. The more evidence you can provide to demonstrate that your relationship is genuine, the more likely you are to succeed.